colder. He's in this room! Move me around until we find him. He's in this room! Move me around. Flaky! Inspector. It's nice to see you.
Hello, Sid.
This is Pajama Sam. He helped me find you.
Hi.
Delighted.
Well, I'm sure glad we found you. You've got to come back to the snow machine with us right away.
No way!
No way?
I'm not going back there. They don't appreciate me.
This could be a problem.
Don't worry. I'll think of something. Inspector, look! You've been named Employee of the Month.
Employee of the month? Me? They like me. They really like me.
They sure do.
I'm so happy. I can't wait to get back to my post and all those wonderful snowflakes.
I'll take you there if you like.
Would you? Gee, Sam, that would be great.
You've made him very happy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Will you be coming with us to the snow machine?
You go on ahead. I'll catch up.
Hello again, sir.
I don't think that'll work. Here we are, Inspector.
Inspector! Are you coming back to work?
Oh, yes!
Then I'm so glad to see you.
And you. Now stand aside and let me do my job.
With pleasure. I don't know how you did it, but you have my heartfelt gratitude.
Sam?
Yeah.
Well, young man, I see you fixed another weather machine.
That's right. I brought the inspector back to the snow machine.
The weather is already starting to get better.
Yes, the sandstorms at the South Pole have calmed down a lot.
You're doing a fine job. Keep up the good work.
Okay, I've just got 2 more machines to go.
Good. Keep us informed of your progress. Goodbye now.
Can they see us all the time? Do I look all right? How's my tie?
great. I should probably try not to break anything. Boy, that's a strong wind.
Lightning, how's the initial incident report coming?
Ready as it'll ever be. I guess we should send it to the president.
Cross your fingers.
Hi.
Don't fret, dear. It's only Sam.
Oh, thank heavens. I don't know what's gotten into me today. Hello, Sam.
Lightning, we better start on the plausible deniability paperwork right away.
Hello again, sir.
Ow! Hey, this works pretty well. It's a vacuum cleaner. Hey, fella. Earthquake in a can. Please recycle after use. That looks like something on the list of weather machine pieces I'm supposed to find. I think it's part of the velocimometer. Hello?
Hello?
Velocimometer? Is that you?
Yes, I'm scared.
It's okay. Pajama Sam is here to help you. Phew. Do you think you can get down from there?
No, I don't think so.
Well, never fear. I'll think of something.
Thank you.
Hey, look at those boxes. I bet I could climb those. Empty crates. I can't get over there. I can't get up there. It's too high. H2. don't worry. It's me, Sam. I'll help you down.
Really?
Sure, come on. You'll be safe with me.
Thank you. Will you take me back to the wind machine?
Sure thing, Velocimomometer.
You can call me Velo if you want.
Okay, Velo it is.